Guys, Innova XE galing pa Pangasinan. So ito, we're doing the headlight alignment na lang. So pag kami nag-set up, free na yung headlight alignment. So digital alignment yan. So sure tayo, wala ka masisilaw. Projector fog light, LED park light, Vision LED, Vision bright. So may bright din yan. Full LED upgrade yan sa harap. Then ito yung side, nilagyan natin ng slim fender flares, mud guard, step board, black garnish set, rain visor. So ito yung itsura niyan. Sinet up natin to, puro mga outside at saka full upgrade sa ilaw. So ito galing pang Pangasinan. So 1 hour, we're done. Make sure nakapag-reserve kayo. So send us a message, we'll book your schedule here. So ayan o, galing pang probinsya. 1 hour, we're done. Pwede na iuwi unit. Ito yun, Vision. So check out other videos sa YouTube, JC Garage.